Welcome to our step-by-step guide on running a test with the automated metal tensile hardness testing system. First, place your specimens on the two rotary, three-sided triangular racks. Then, click on the Start the Test button on your Horizon software. The racks will automatically rotate to present the specimens to the robotic hand. The 6-axis robotic hand will pick up a specimen and carry it to the barcode reader, where it will scan the barcode printed on the specimen. The robotic hand will then transport the specimen to the contactless measurement station, where it will be identified and measured accurately. Next, the robotic arm will carefully place the specimen on the FH11 model's XY stage, specifically designed to perform the Rockwell test. The integrated software will now execute a 15T or 30T Rockwell test based on the specimen's thickness, ensuring precision and reliability in your results. You will see the test running on the vertical screen pane attached to the hardness tester. After the test is complete, the robotic arm will retrieve the specimen from the XY stage and load it into the centering station to align and straighten any skew before the tensile test. Following alignment, the robotic arm will transport the specimen to the 25ST universal testing machine. The pneumatic wedge grips will secure the specimen, and the vector extensometer module will detect the specimen in no time. You will see the detection of the specimen on the vector extensometer GUI in your dual-screen PC station. Even before the entire test cycle is complete, the 6-axis robotic arm will begin processing another specimen for the next test, ensuring continuous efficiency and repeatability. The universal testing system will perform the test in strict accordance with ASTM or ISO standards. Once the specimen ruptures and the test concludes, the pneumatic specimen removal system on the 25ST will automatically eject and discard the specimen into the designated bin behind the test frame. You can view the test results on the Horizon software. With these easy-to-follow process, you can efficiently run endless tests on the automated metal tensile hardness testing system. For more information, feel free to contact us.